Hey fam, welcome back to this channel. I hope you already like, subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Today guys, you're going to watch my dad catching a bird. So grab a drink, grab a snack and enjoy.
You fly through the
You see that one? That one got the.
you fly through the on your friend. I didn't want to know what the others are.
Family, that's a drama. That's the fun one, you know? It was one of the little small ones the grass quit. I guess I left the hole on top too big. So they just made their escape. Alright family, here I am again. As you can see, this looks like a cloud of bush. But it's actually not. I'm actually out here today again. Just trying to let it look as natural as the surrounded. So this is the calaban that I made to catch a bird, but haven't been successful as yet. I've caught, but the space between was too big, so I made it a bit smaller. Here I am now, just letting it look more natural. So this is it. Yes, as you can see, that is it. Looking more natural. So some corn. Gonna put some corn underneath. Yeah, so I'm just making some trails with the corn. Yeah, so just went and get some more bushes. Right on the front right here. Yeah. So it looks more natural to the birds, you know? When the birds come, looks way more natural. So it's a wait and see now what will happen. Alright? Stay tuned. actually couldn't show another catch, but it actually good. I think a bird is under this trap that I set. I actually change it up to let it look so natural. And if he's still there, I just pull the string. He was eating, I pull the string. I'm gonna check if he's still there. He's there, you guys are gonna be the first to know. Alright. Yes, family. After chop finally works. This is called a P-dog. Wow, so beautiful. Behave yourself. Stop hurting yourself. Stop hurting yourself. Can you see? Eat and full up the crop. It's a blessing. This chop has been trying for a good while now. Look at finally work today. Yeah man, give thanks. And here it is. Actually use these bush to let it look more natural. It is the same color band that I made a few days earlier. See, that's even start pull apart. But I don't really mind right now. I'll remake it again. But this is a product from it. Yeah man, so I'm gonna show you guys the release of this dove. But just continue, stay tuned, do the right thing. Peace out. God bless. I will catch you. Show you the release shortly. Family, I'm actually gonna give this to my daughter to see if she's afraid to do the release. Alright? Catch and release. Yeah. Can release. You can release it when you're ready.
Talk.
Put it behind my ears. Get comfortably in the hand. And don't want to go. Alright, family.
The neighbors catch me catch you.